Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall monday.com dashboards connected to CRM step by step clearly. Open monday.com and log into your account. Navigate to the dashboard you want to uninstall. Look for the three-dot menu icon located at the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on the three-dot menu to reveal additional options. Select Delete from the drop-down menu. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Review the information about what will happen when you delete the dashboard. If you are sure you want to proceed, confirm the deletion. The dashboard will now be uninstalled from your account. Next, navigate to the CRM section of your monday.com workspace. Identify any related automations connected to the removed dashboard. Access the Automations tab within your CRM board settings. Review the list of automations and find those linked to the deleted dashboard. Disable or delete any automations that are no longer needed. Verify that there are no lingering connections to the uninstalled dashboard. Finally, refresh your workspace to ensure all changes are applied. Your monday.com setup should now be free of the uninstalled dashboards connected to your CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.